don't know if you can see the bird, but looks like there's two floats out. This one's over there. No, this one's eating something. One laying in our garage, and now it's across the street. I know it's kind of small, I just can't bring it in. I don't see the other one. Possibly vultures, not sure. I'm on Facebook Live. I haven't seen these since I was in high school. Oh, it's got a red head. There were two eating, but cart made them fly off. One came back. I did put some pictures and videos up. Did get a video of it drinking out of the puddle. I don't see the other one. It's cold out here. Well, I see, no, in high school there were at least 3 altogether. Earlier I didn't get a chance to get a video, but one came flying over my head. Circled a couple times. I haven't seen more since then, or that one since then. I hope it isn't our chipmunk that likes sweets. Haven't seen him yet so far. Hopefully he's still around. That was definitely a different experience for me. Since I think 2009 since I've seen one. Well, that's it for this video.